Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the English Practice Podcast. I'm Tom, and today we have an amazing topic: how to improve your English in just 10 minutes a day. I know it sounds too easy, but it really works if you do it every day. You don't need to study for hours to make progress. You just need short, focused, and fun practice every single day. And joining me today, as always, is Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. Hi, everyone. Yes, I'm so excited about this topic because many people think learning English needs big effort or long lessons, but actually, short daily practice is much more powerful. 10 minutes can change everything if you use those minutes wisely. Today, we'll show you 5 smart ways to practice every day and maybe even a secret bonus tip at the end. So grab your coffee or tea and let's start.
The first idea is listening practice. It's the easiest thing to start with because you can do it anywhere, while walking, cooking, or taking a shower. Just choose something short and simple, like this podcast or a YouTube video. Even if you don't understand everything, don't stop. Your brain needs time to get used to English sounds and rhythm. After 1 or 2 weeks, you'll be surprised how much more you understand.
That's right. When I started learning English, I listened to short podcasts every morning. At first, it was hard, and I didn't catch many words. But after some days, my ears got faster and I could hear full sentences. You can also repeat after the speaker. It helps with pronunciation and intonation. For example, you can listen and say, "I can do it every day," or "I want to improve my English." Repeating helps your mouth and brain work together.
The second way is reading. You don't need to read long books or difficult texts. Even short articles or Instagram posts in English are perfect. Spend just 5 minutes reading something interesting. If you see a new word, try to guess its meaning first and then check it later. This helps you remember better and think in English. It's like training your brain to see the language, not just translate it.
Yes, and make reading fun. Choose topics you really like: travel, food, motivation, fashion, anything. When you enjoy reading, you learn faster. For example, I like reading short stories or news about new movies. Sometimes I even read children's books. They're simple and full of useful everyday language. The key is not to force yourself, but to enjoy and keep going. Reading 5 minutes every day is better than reading 1 hour once a week.
Now, let's talk about speaking, the part that scares most learners. Many people understand English, but can't speak easily. That's because they don't practice speaking enough. But you can practice even if you're alone. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your plans, or what you're doing. For example, "I'm making breakfast now. It smells great." It sounds funny, but it really helps you become fluent.
Exactly. When you speak, don't worry about mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The goal is to express your ideas, not to be perfect. You can also find an online speaking partner or use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. 5 minutes of real conversation can help more than hours of silent study. And remember, confidence comes from practice, not from waiting.
Next, let's talk about vocabulary. Don't try to memorize 50 new words at once. It's too much. Instead, learn 3 to 5 useful words a day and use them. Write them in a notebook or in your phone notes. Then make sentences with them. For example, if today's word is improve, say, "I want to improve my English." Tomorrow, use the word practice. "I practice English every morning."
Yes, and make your vocabulary personal. Learn words that you really need in your life for your job, hobbies, or daily talk. It's easier to remember words that are connected to you. Also, review old words often. You can use flashcards or small quizzes to test yourself. And here's a bonus idea. Try to use new words on social media. Post something in English and use your new words in real life. It's fun and motivating.
Many learners think grammar is boring or difficult, But it doesn't have to be. You can learn grammar in context, not from big textbooks. Listen and read carefully. Notice how native speakers use verbs or prepositions. Then copy that style when you speak or write. If you do this often, grammar becomes automatic. Remember, practice, not theory, makes grammar easy.
Yes, for example, when I hear people say, "I'm going to," I repeat it many times in my head. Soon, I start using it without thinking. You can also learn grammar through short daily exercises or games. Even 2 minutes of grammar practice a day helps you speak correctly. The trick is to stay relaxed. Don't stress about rules. Just use English every day. Small daily actions bring big results.
Now, let's talk about motivation. It's easy to start learning, but hard to keep going. That's why daily habits are so important. 10 minutes a day is enough, but you must do it every day. If you skip one day, it's okay. Just come back the next day. Consistency is more important than perfection. Think of it like brushing your teeth, a small thing, but you do it every day.
I love that example. Yes, English practice should be part of your life, not a special event. You can listen in the morning, read at lunch, or speak before bed. It doesn't matter when, just do it regularly. Also, celebrate small wins. When you understand a new word or finish a podcast, tell yourself, "Good job." Feeling proud keeps you motivated to continue.
And here's our bonus tip. Make learning fun. Watch movies, play games, or sing songs in English. When you enjoy the process, you learn faster and remember longer. Don't think of English as a school subject, think of it as part of your life. The more you connect it with what you love, the easier it becomes. Fun is the secret ingredient for success.
Absolutely. If you like music, learn lyrics and sing along. If you like cooking, watch recipes in English. If you love travel, follow travel vloggers. When English is part of your hobbies, it never feels like work. And then 10 minutes a day becomes something you actually look forward to. Before we finish, Tom, I want to share a little trick I use every day. Even if you only have 10 minutes, you can combine several activities. For example, you can listen to a short podcast while walking, repeat a few sentences out loud, and then write 2 new words in your notebook. In just 10 minutes, you've done listening, speaking, and vocabulary practice all at once.
Yes, that's a smart way to make the most of your time. And let's not forget shadowing, repeating what a native speaker says immediately after hearing it. Even one sentence, repeated 3 times in 10 minutes, trains your ears and mouth. For example, "I'm going to make breakfast." Repeat it aloud, then say it faster and naturally. "I'm going to make breakfast."
Exactly. Shadowing is also great for intonation and rhythm. When you repeat sentences, notice which words are stressed. Small words like to, the, a are quick, but content words like make, breakfast are stronger. That's how English naturally sounds.
And you can make shadowing fun by using your favorite shows or YouTube clips. Pick a 30-second segment, repeat it 3 times, and record yourself if you like. Later, listen to your recording and compare it with the original. You'll hear progress quickly.
Another tip is micro-writing. Take 2 minutes to write a short diary entry in English. It can be 1 sentence. "Today, I walked in the park and listened to a podcast." Or 2 sentences about your breakfast or plans. Writing just a little every day helps your brain remember vocabulary and grammar automatically.
Yes, and if you combine reading and speaking, it's even more powerful. Read a short news headline or Instagram post, then say it aloud in your own words. For example, if you read, "Scientists discover new species of bird in Amazon rainforest," you can say, "Wow, scientists found a new bird in the Amazon." That practices comprehension, vocabulary, and speaking at once.
And let's not forget flashcards for vocabulary. You can make a small deck with 3 to 5 new words a day. Write the word on one side, meaning and an example sentence on the other. Review them during your 10 minutes and repeat the sentences aloud. You'll remember words faster than memorizing 50 words in one day.
Yes, and even better, use the new words immediately. Make 3 short sentences with them or say them to yourself while walking. Active use makes words stick in your memory.
Here's another fun idea. English challenges for 10 minutes. For example, listen to a song in English and write down 3 words you understand. Make a short sentence using each word. Say each sentence out loud. It's short, focused, and it covers listening, writing, and speaking in just 10 minutes.
Exactly. And you can create your personalized mini routine. For example, 2 minutes listening, 3 minutes reading, 2 minutes speaking or shadowing, 3 minutes vocabulary practice, 10 minutes, but all skills are trained.
Yes, and you can repeat your mini routine every day. 10 minutes every morning or evening is enough to create a habit. Habits are the real secret to fast progress.
And don't forget motivation. Sometimes learners get discouraged because they don't see instant improvement, but 10 minutes a day adds up. After 1 month, that's 300 minutes, 5 hours of focused practice, and your brain will remember much more than in one long session per week.
Exactly. Consistency is key. Even if you're tired, just open your notebook or listen for 2 minutes. That small action keeps your brain connected to English.
And let's talk about fun learning. 10 minutes is perfect for playful activities. Listen to a short song in English, write lyrics, repeat funny phrases, or read jokes in English. Fun keeps your brain motivated and helps memory.
Yes. For example, pick a short comic or meme in English. Read it, say it out loud, and make 1 sentence about it yourself. That's 10 minutes of listening, reading, and speaking, and it's fun.
Another tip, combine English with daily routines. You can label objects at home in English, say sentences while cooking, or describe your day in English while walking. 10 minutes every day in real life makes learning natural and automatic.
And don't forget, review old words. Every day, spend 1 minute revising words you learned last week. Then, add 3 to 5 new words. This keeps your vocabulary strong and growing consistently.
Yes, and even better, use the new words immediately. Make 3 short sentences with them or say them to yourself while walking. Active use makes words stick in your memory.
Also, record yourself sometimes. Listen to your own voice and compare with native speakers. Notice improvements in pronunciation and fluency. This self-feedback is powerful, even if you only do it once a week for 5 minutes.
Here's a mini challenge for listeners. For the next 7 days, do this routine for 10 minutes. 2 minutes listening to a podcast or song, 3 minutes reading something short, 2 minutes speaking or shadowing, 3 minutes reviewing vocabulary or writing sentences. By the end of the week, you'll see improvement and confidence in all skills.
Yes, and remember, 10 minutes is not about perfection. It's about practice. Don't stress about mistakes, just use the time to stay connected to English every day. Exactly. Even small steps every day lead to big results over time. 10 minutes done consistently is more effective than 1 hour once a week.
So, listeners, start today. Pick your 10 minutes, choose 1 or more activities, and enjoy the process. Make it fun, make it consistent, and watch your English improve naturally.
Thank you all for joining us today. Remember, learning English doesn't have to be hard. 10 minutes a day is enough if you use it smartly. And keep practicing, even if it's just a little bit.
Yes, Thank you for listening. Subscribe, share, and start your 10-minute daily routine now. You'll be amazed at your progress in just a few weeks.
See you next time on English Practice Podcast. Keep it short, keep it fun, and keep learning every day.
Bye, everyone. And remember, 10 minutes a day changes everything. So, to sum up, listen, read, speak, learn vocabulary, notice grammar, and stay consistent. That's it. Just 10 minutes a day can really change your English level. It's simple but powerful. Remember, success doesn't come from doing a lot once. It comes from doing a little every day.
Yes, 10 minutes a day can make your English stronger, more natural, and more confident. Believe in yourself, enjoy the process, and never stop learning. Thank you for listening to the English Practice Podcast. If you like this episode, please subscribe, share it, and practice your English today. We'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye, and keep practicing just 10 minutes a day.